Manufacturing is the process of transforming material into new products. Manufacturing thus means making things. Whether it is clothing, cell phones, computers, motor vehicles, DVDs or computer games, manufactured products are conceived, conceptualized, designed and created. This is the first of 3 modules explaining the product development lifecycle in manufacturing. When you have watched these modules, you'll have an understanding of the different stages of the product development lifecycle, namely, firstly, the design of the product, followed by the production of the tools required to manufacture the specific product, and finally, the application of the tools to manufacture the product. Secondly, the video will also highlight the different occupations associated with each stage of the product development lifecycle. Product development lifecycle in manufacturing. Module 1, Product Definition, User Requirement Specification and Design. Module 1 will provide you with an insight into the way user requirement specifications are defined and new products are designed. The design and manufacturing of a plastic tub for the food industry is used as a case study. Product definition, user requirement specifications and design comprise the following steps. User requirement meeting, user requirement specification, product concept design and product prototyping, product design acceptance, costing and quotation, acceptance of quotation and letter of intent, detailed product design, design sign-off and acceptance. User requirement meeting. The product development lifecycle starts when the client, who can be an individual or company, requiring the design, development and production of a new product, meets with a representative of the sales and marketing department of the manufacturer. At this user requirement meeting, the client's product requirements are defined and product specifications are formulated. In addition to marketing, advertising and sales responsibilities, sales and marketing staff liaise with clients regarding their product requirements. Sales staff members are therefore also involved in new product development. User requirement specification. For the design of a plastic tub, the defined user requirement will cover technical specifications, aesthetic and commercial considerations, viability, and production capacity. Technical considerations include material type, product weight, dimensions and shape, among others. Aesthetic considerations include packaging decoration, while commercial considerations include order quantities and target costs. Production capacity and viability refer to the manufacturer's technical ability and capacity to produce the required product. Machine availability and tool requirements are taken into account. This will be shown in Module 2. The multidisciplinary team involved in the product design consists of a number of people such as designers, engineers, tool makers, production personnel, and quality controllers. The team is overseen by a project manager who liaises closely with the client. Project managers plan, organize, coordinate and control all phases of the production cycle and ensure that products are delivered on time and within the job specifications and budget. Product concept design and product prototyping. Based on the defined user requirements, the product designer is briefed to start with a conceptual design of the product. Typically, this entails rough sketches, followed by 2D designs and even 3D drawings and prototypes or mock-ups for the client to approve. Designers design or modify product designs and use advanced computer-aided design or CAD tools to create product designs. These tools allow designers to create three-dimensional drawings of products. These drawings can be rotated, which helps designers better visualize the final product. Product design acceptance. The client is presented with several concept designs, and upon selection of a final concept, the client signs acceptance of the design. The sales representative or cost estimator then proceeds to prepare a quotation. Costing and quotation. The cost estimator's responsibility is to accurately estimate the costs associated with producing the specified product, in this case, a plastic tub for the food industry. The estimator's costing includes the product cost, as well as the cost to produce the tools to manufacture the product. When determining the cost of developing a new product, the estimator normally works hand in hand with the tooling engineer and tool room manager to determine the tools, gauges, materials, and machining operations required for production of the product. Cost estimators use advanced computer software to prepare cost reports for management and cost estimates for clients. In some companies, this task is performed by the salesperson. Acceptance of quotation and letter of intent. Once the client has approved the cost estimate, a letter of intent is issued to the manufacturer to authorize the commencement of the project. Detailed product design. In the final product design stage, the detailed product specifications, concept and styling data, 3D data, and detailed product drawings are generated by the designer. Product simulation software is also used to validate designs and verify critical product parameters such as finite element analysis or FEA, which is used to predict product load capacities and analyze polymer stress concentration points. Design sign-off and acceptance. The design phase is concluded with a final sign-off and acceptance of the detailed product design by the client. The focus now shifts to the design and development of the tools to manufacture the plastic packaging product. Having said that, it is important to recognize that product design and tool design are iterative processes, which mean that product designs may change as tool designs are finalized.